what inspired me to be a rapper? I guess life. The way things are going, and yeah, music in general. That's what inspired me to be a rapper. Listening to a lot of hip hop music. Yeah. Okay, Twarelo, it's a song about forgiveness. As in the scripture, it's written with Miliko Lumuntu 77. So that's the story. Okay, I met Rhino B at the show. I think I'm a cousin. He was performing Ipufati with Sutu Mafia. So at that time, I went to his socials. Then I contacted him, and then he sent me the beat to test. It was all about the energy. He sent me the beat, and I listened to it. Then Twarelo came along, and he explained something now. Rhino beats, he's quick, fast. We are about to seven and yeah. That's all I can say, because in 15 minutes we'll be done with the song at the studio. It was getting ready to be mastered. Challenges so far, I think it's traveling a lot of times because I'm not car, so that's another challenge, but we'll figure that out. And yeah, through the time and people how they are receiving the music, some of them it seems like I'm still new to the scene, so they're not used to whatever style that I'm doing. So yeah, I guess those are the challenges. Not so much that I can't handle actually. Okay, what sets me apart is I'm more mixed of Zola, Zulu Boy, and Mobiazo. So it's just a mix. It's a traditional one. So most of the time we'll never been to that kind of music. Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't know, but yeah, I'm mixing poetry and stuff. So yeah, that's what's different about me. Okay, the show Like Street Vibes on the 6th of July, happening this Sunday. It's quite of like, what can you expect in my performance? I guess more energy, more inspiration, and meeting a lot of artists, and meeting me, actually meeting kids. Yeah, we can take a picture together. So yeah, and I'm prepared. I'm always making sure that I rehearse each and every day.